This is a test of the emergency broadcast system. Am I centered? How's the lighting? How's the glow? Is there a script? Never. Okay. Hey, friends, welcome to Vlogmas Day 3, or I should say Part 3 with TriBecca Designs. So I just wanted to hop on really quickly to share with you guys a wonderful gift idea that's a great scrap buster that you can use to make relatively quick and easy for Christmas gifts and beyond. Not just Christmas gifts, but anytime you need a quick gift idea that doesn't require a lot of time, a lot of fabric, a lot of supplies, and that's just something you can personalize. It's really, really good and quick and easy. Bam! House slippers! Now, this is a pair of house slippers that I made for my husband. I actually made these for him last year for Christmas. These were constructed out of faux suede materials done in brown and black, some decorative trim, some leftover scraps of sheet paper music fabric, and on the bottom here, all I did was took a pair of his old flip-flops that he uses for shower shoes when we go on vacation, and I cut the part that goes over the top of the foot off and glue them on the bottom. Use the Cricut Maker to personalize, because he is a VIP. And a little bit of stretch material, like a knit fabric, is what I use to go around the curve of the house slipper. And then I just personalized it with a cute little leather tag. So there is a full, complete, comprehensive tutorial on my YouTube channel. Like I say, no script, bloopers included on this one. Okay, on my YouTube channel. Check the link below in the description box. And I think this is worth celebrating. You know why? Here's why. Because that was the very first video that I uploaded on my channel. Wow. It's hard to believe I'm coming up on 3 years on YouTube. It's been quite the uphill battle, but hey, I'm here to stay. And so I just wanted to celebrate by bringing some attention to this video. I actually make 3 pair of house slippers on that tutorial. So you really get a great idea for how you can do this. No pattern needed. I show you how to draft a pattern or just how to draw your footbed to make these awesome slippers. This is another pair that was featured on that initial video. These are a pair that I made from pieces of a brocade dress that I thrifted. So this is brocade fabric. Bits and bobs, just scraps, I should say, of metallic gold quilted fabric is what's here. And then just like a, kind of like a swimsuit material that stretches. This is what this gold fabric is here that goes all the way around the footbed. Now I'm going to show you the bottom of these, but pardon the dirtiness, they're not clean because I do wear these most days. So for the bottom of these, I simply used a pair of house slippers that I purchased from the dollar store. Yes, dollar store house slippers. And I just cut the top off and hot glued them on the bottom here to give me a nice, durable house slipper. So this is just 2 pair, his and hers pair. On my video, I did 3 pairs for ladies, and I did some other things to kind of show you how you can jazz them up. But please, please, please go check out that video. This is what the thumbnail will look like if you go to my channel. But like I say, if you want a quick, easy way to access it, there is a link below in the description box. Now, you all know I love to sew. And one of my recent obsessions that I've been having with sewing in terms of finding new fabrics to use in my projects is with quilted pillowcases. I had to give a shout out for my pillowcases. So let's look at some pillowcases here, and I think you might be inspired, at least I hope you will, to use these maybe in your projects for making house slippers. For example, this is a beautiful quilted pillowcase. You can easily get a pair, one pair out of one pillowcase. If you use two pillowcases, that doubles it, and you should be able to get 4 pair, because you can usually get 3 complete shoes out of one pillowcase. So if you have a set, if you have 2 of these, then you can get 4 pair of slippers, guys. And wouldn't they be cute? Now, I like to use this material because the cushion is built in. You don't have to worry about adding batting. Now, the fabric that I used for these did not have batting, this faux suede. So I did show in the video how I just cut an additional piece out of some batting to give this extra cushion, okay? But if you want to skip that step or make it extra cushiony, you can use the quilted pillowcase and the batting. Ding! Okay? So I just think that this is a great gift idea. Here's another option. Wouldn't this make a really nice pair of cozy house slippers? And what you could also do if you wanted was to make house slippers, maybe the little spa eye mask that you could wear at night, a little headband for putting your hair up. You know, there's so many little ideas that you can do to incorporate these quilted pillowcases into the fabrics that you use for constructing your Christmas presents. Now, if you're interested in some, if you're going to be making some from a guy, you don't want them to be, you know, super cute, super frilly or girlish looking. I mean, there's options here that you can use to make them for the gentleman in your life as well. Like I said, these are easy customizable. You can put any type of name or additional embellishments on these. You guys, I think this would make an excellent Christmas gift. So I hope that you will be inspired to make a pair. If you do, please tag me on Instagram. Here's my Instagram handle, TriBecca's Designs. And let me know. I'd love to see your photographs. Thank you guys for watching. Peace and blessings. Mwah.